Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on diagnosing battery issues in the NetBot LS27. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the necessary steps to identify and address common battery problems. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the right tools at hand. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter for testing voltage, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Having these tools ready will make the process smoother. Begin by powering off your NetBot LS27 and disconnecting it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the device. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back panel off. Be cautious, as there may be clips holding it in place. If you encounter resistance, check for any remaining screws. With the back panel removed, you will have access to the internal components, including the battery. Now visually inspect the battery for any signs of damage, such as swelling or corrosion. If you notice any issues, it may be time to replace the battery. However, before proceeding, let's test the battery's voltage using the multimeter. Set your multimeter to the DC voltage setting and connect the probes to the battery terminals. A healthy battery should read around 3.7 volts. If the reading is significantly lower, this indicates a problem. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you identify the issue without any pressure to commit to repairs. Next, if the battery appears to be functioning but the device still isn't powering on, it's time to check the connections. Ensure that the battery connectors are clean and free from dust or debris. Use your soft cloth to gently clean the connectors. A clean connection is essential for optimal performance. After cleaning, reassemble the device by carefully placing the back panel on and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is aligned properly to avoid any damage. Now let's power on the device. If it turns on successfully, congratulations, you've resolved the issue. If not, it may be time to consider further assistance. Remember, we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your device serviced without the hassle of travel. If you need a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide transparent pricing to ensure you know what to expect. In summary, diagnosing battery issues in the NetBot LS27 involves checking the battery's condition, testing its voltage, and ensuring clean connections. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can tackle these issues effectively. Thank you for following along, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.